So here I am prepping to go for a ride with Sharis and Chris. Busy prepping the bony in the garage, packing some tools, getting used to the whole thing. Then I was like skimming, maybe I should take this for Chris. He might need it to open up a can of whoop ass.
Nice.
It looks nasty.
What's up?
It looks nasty.
I don't know about that.
Go. Okay, I'll push you back.
Thank you.
And just punch her up and over. Problem. Perfect. Go, punch her. Don't look for traction on the tricky stuff. Head up. Far. Look far, look far, look far. My turn.
Even yeah.
Proper, huh? First you find the smiley. Then you put the lappy.
Check, these are Beasley's jocks with the skid marks.
Okay,
Ready.
I'm ready.
Yep, that is a good one. That's it.
Okay, bring that sauce one more time. I believe that little bubble is fixed. And here is the tool.
I fixed it with my feeler gauge. Slightly used. Slightly, just a little bit. But very
100%.
technical KTM tools, very important to carry on all your adventure rides.
This and a can of muscle.
Okay. Just put this bit in your backpack. Bony handles so well, eh?
Too nice.
Welcome to Ascori Lodge. Buzzmick, how are you enjoying your first ride?
Love it. Very lekker.
How cool is that?
Magic, eh?
Breed's Neck. Nicely ridden. About to head down past Biffles, put down, right down on the other side of that water, and then some water canals all the way back in line with this mountain range. No, further, further. No stress.
From the wrong side of the railway track.
Stand up. The obstacle. How weird is that?
This thing's strong enough for my fat ass.
Stand up. Hey, it's freaky, eh?
I'm just saying, your foot goes through one of these gaps now. Your bony falls on top of you.
It's going to be the most awkward motorcycle rescue you've ever done.
Yeah.
Go and have a look where she's getting out on the side there, Buzzmick. Look, you've got to go, Stan. Go, 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 go. And Andrew's through. Very nice. Let's give it a go.
The bony, yeah, we just threw all the terrain at it.
And by the time we're home, it's 280 km.
Yeah, and you know what it can do and what it can't do.
So we're down like that.
Yeah, we had to.
Yeah, you had to
Yeah.
make your turn.
You should put your indicator on next time.
It's not going to narrow thing like that. You must have been laughing.